practice on adjusting clutch pedal play, removing gearbox and clutch assembly from light and heavy vehicle. Hello, my name is Charumati. In this module, we are going to practice on adjusting clutch pedal play, removing gearbox and clutch assembly from light and heavy vehicles. At the end of this exercise, you will be able to adjust clutch pedal play, disconnect the gearbox linkages, remove the gearbox from the vehicle, remove the clutch from the vehicle. Now let us take a look at the equipment, materials and tools required.
Tools or instruments required. Trainee Toolkit 1 number. Double end spanner set 1 set. Ring spanner set 1 set. Socket spanner set 1 set. Center punch 1 number. Equipment or machineries required. Hydraulic jack floor type 1 number. Steel horse stand 1 number. Materials required. Soap oil, grease, kerosene, baniya cloth, rope. Before we learn the procedure, let us get to know what the term free play means. In order to drive safely, it's imperative that your brake and clutch pedals are sitting at their proper height. You can test this by measuring something called free play, which is the distance between the pedals when not depressed and the point at which they begin to engage when you press them with your foot. If there is too much free play, the pedals feel loose or spongy. If it is too less, then it's difficult to press them and get the brake and clutch systems to engage. Free play determines when your clutch starts disengaging after pushing the pedal. Most brake and clutch pedals should have just a little bit of free play, usually about 1 centimeter, which is less than half an inch. If you feel that your free play is more generous than this, or that you don't have any at all, you'll need to adjust your pedals. Let's start with the procedure. Task 1. Adjust the clutch pedal play. First, check the play of the clutch pedal and observe the play in the range of 6 mm to 10 mm. Chosen the lock nut. Tighten if the play is more or loosen if the play is less. Set the free play 10 mm. Again, check the free play of the pedal. Tighten the lock nut to the required free play of pedal is achieved. Next, let us learn about the gearbox. A gearbox, also known as transmission, is a mechanical component that helps to transfer power from the engine to the wheels by using different gear ratios. It is usually located between the engine and the wheels, consisting of several gears, shafts, and bearings. The gearbox is connected to the engine's crankshaft through a clutch, which allows the motor and gearbox to be temporarily disengaged when changing gears. Its primary role is to churn out the right amount of power and torque to the wheels at different speeds to achieve optimal performance and mileage. A car's gearbox has several components, namely clutch shaft, counter shaft, main shaft, bearings, gears. Next, let's start with Task 2. Disconnect gearbox linkages. Put wheel chocks. Drain the gearbox oil and refit the drain plug. Remove the gear shift lever. Disconnect the propeller shaft from the gearbox and tie the propeller shaft with the chassis side member by a rope or wire. Disconnect the clutch lever from the clutch rod. If necessary, tie the clutch lever with the clutch housing to avoid falling of the lever in housing. Let's disconnect the speedometer cable. Task 3. Remove gearbox from the vehicles. If necessary, support the engine on a horse tripod stand. Let's support the gearbox on a trolley jack. Remove diagonally opposite mounting nuts of the gearbox by loosening 2 turns at a time. Move the gearbox away from the engine and lower down the gearbox in such a way that it does not fall from the jack. Take out the gearbox along with the jack. Task 4. Remove the clutch from the vehicle. Mark with some paint the position of the clutch cover and flywheel. While resetting, this mark will be aligned to ensure the original position of the clutch cover and the flywheel so that the balancing of the flywheel and clutch cover does not get disturbed. Remove the locking wire of the clutch cover mounting set screws. Count the total number of set screws.
We have come to the end of the exercise. Let us have a recap on what we have learned in this module. We have learned to adjust clutch pedal play, disconnect the gearbox linkages, remove the gearbox from the vehicle, remove the clutch from the vehicle. Thus, we have learned to practice on adjusting clutch pedal play, removing gearbox and clutch assembly from light and heavy vehicles. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.